Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV, welcome. Check it out! We're on Highway 95. We just left Bill Williams Wildlife Refuge. Wasn't that a cool place? Absolutely beautiful. Right up here on the right is Havasu Springs. I had a question a while back through the comments asking me about this place I always used to go to, and we're going to go today, called Off Point. It's right next to Parker Dam and Lake Havasu. And the question was about camping. Is there camping available there? We're going to go find out. Kind of taking a scenic tour down the quartzsite. Zipping back and forth across the roads here. We'll cut over to the California side too. It is just so pretty here. Picture perfect. Clear blue sky, no winds today, nice and warm. Beautiful March weather in the desert. Okay, we're going to make a right here. This is actually called 95A. It's like a little side spur. It'll take us right up to the dam, but we're not going to cross. We're going to go up and find Takeoff Point. A lot of residential in here. This place just keeps growing. They keep packing the homes in. Absolutely incredible. And this is high dollar, high rent district. You're right on the water here. There's the Parker Dam, creates Lake Havasu. But I'll show you right before we get up to the dam, we're going to take a little road to the right. This is one of my favorite places to come in the spring. It really is. I don't know, it's just peaceful, scenic. After a few months down in the desert around quartzsite and all the people and everything, it's just a nice little getaway up here. Okay, right here we're going to make a right. And this is called Takeoff Point. This is the Arizona side, and this is a recreation area. We're going to wind up the hill. Right there on the left, we're going to hit that on the way out of here. There is probably the best overlook you could ever see of the dam. But we're going to go all the way down to the end of this road. Right up here is also another overlook with day use. Got a picnic area. A lot of people just come up here, have their lunch, and just enjoy the views. We'll check this on the way out. Kind of winds down now. All these parking areas, there's a 10-day parking limit. You can actually park your vehicle and boat trailer for 10 days here. That little road right to the left, that goes off to a fishing area. Don't worry, I'll show you. Oh, look at the water. Look how calm. It's never that busy back here. Just a few boaters and fishermen. And the dead ends down here. Alright, let me get parked. We'll go for a little walk. Look how calm everything is. You talk about fishing. This is a fisherman's paradise right here. That's their floating, what do they call it? Log fence or whatever. Keeps debris, keeps people out in front of the dam. Crystal clear water. There's a boat dock. A lot of people never use this. They don't even know about it. You can bring your fishing boat down here, launch straight across California. There's their sign. Don't cross. All right, let's walk out on the dock. All right, here it is. It's run by Arizona. Takeoff point, day use, and boat launch. And yes, they have camping. Look at that. For $10. You can camp along the shoreline. This basically tent, no RVs or nothing. It's like $10 a night. And the boating, the parking. Pretty cool. So yes, you can tent camp down here. We'll walk over in the pathway. I think I know where they're talking about. Fairly new dock, all aluminum. But we're at the very, what would this be? Southern end of Lake Havasu. Look how clear that water is. Perfect. Well, what do you say? Let's cut over that pathway, take a little walk. For years, I always brought my dog down here. Really enjoyed it. I've never camped here. I don't tent camp. But there's actually a little road here. We'll hike up it a little ways. I've known people that have camped back in here. You can go right down on the shore, throw out your fishing line and camp. Hopefully catch dinner. Oh, look at that. You got a view of, that's Havasu Springs that you never see from the road. Pretty cool. That looks like their marina over there. Looks like this trail goes all the way over. I'm not going to hike that far. This is it. What a view, huh? This is perfect. You can hear a couple boats out there. And that's about it. No wind either. Winds can really scream through here. They're zoomed in on some of the homes there at Havasu Springs, and right there is the entrance to their marina. Look, a little lighthouse down here too. Cool. What a pretty area. I've never been all the way back here. Kind of cool. Look, there's a duck. He's all happy. Diving for seaweed. But there you go. You can camp here in a tent. Park your boat trailer and car for 10 days. You know, a lot of people, look at those iron rods there. Who knows what went on out here? Different things. A lot of people go out and beach their boats, camp out on the lake. That wouldn't be bad. Little maintenance yard there, dumpster, looks like a little tractor. But they always keep this so nice. If you get a chance, once again, it's called Off Point. Get on down here. Whether you fish or not, you'll just enjoy it. Well, let's head up top of the hill. I'll show you that view I was talking about when we came in. Now off to the right, right up here, that little road, there's a little trail, and it's got old fishing piers and a fish cleaning station. Right here, that little road right there goes straight back. Just walk along the trail, there's a little bit of parking. And right at the end, you're right at the end where the dam is. And you talk about fishing, there's always people in there fishing. Restrooms and everything back there. But every year I come here. It's like a ritual anymore. Alright, right up top. We'll get to check out top of the dam. Maybe see a car or two go over it. Here it is. I've seen photographers up here. They bring their tripod up here, set up their camera with a little chair, and there's your pictures. Look at the view of the dam. Cars going across. Shows you the power of that dam too, how much water it's holding back. That dam is, I think, 270 feet deep. A lot of water. Built back in the 30s. Still working. Way down there, that's where we were. Takeoff point's way down there. What a view, huh? Look at this. Here's one of their survey markers from when they built the dam. Right there. Still there. Was it 80 years later? At least. And that's the Colorado River. Producing power. And once again, just the colors here. You got the blue water against the reddish mountains. You can see the power poles going up the other side. That's California. There's the intake over there for the power dam, turbines. And just boating and fishing. Havasu is what, 30-some miles long. There's a boat scooting across. Absolutely breathtaking here. There's the little dirt roadway we walked up on. And then you can see Havasu Springs, the marina. All the way around. Gorgeous. Well, cool. I'm in no hurry today. What do you say? Let's drive across the dam. We'll go down the California side. See what kind of trouble we can find. If not trouble, how about something scenic? Right there on the left, you can park there. You can get out, take pictures here too. All the guards in the shacks, they got little pamphlets they'll give to you. They're real friendly. I've talked to a few of them here through the years. They don't offer any more tours of the dam itself. They used to years ago. You could go inside of it. They quit doing that. But they will give you a pamphlet. Tells you all about the history of it. Okay, right about here in the middle is the state line. Just left Arizona. Welcome to California. And you can park on this side, walk around the top by the gates. A lot of it they have blocked off. Storyboards here to read. And this is the beginning of Parker Dam Road, backcountry byway. What do you say? Ready for a little journey down the byway? Why not? I bet we can find a ghost town up this way too. As always, the journey never ends. It's just starting. Talk soon.